Kiran Rijiju shock at the condition of National Highway. The Union Minister travelled from Kampupit to Kalapahar. Chief Minister Okromi Singh stresses role of library, says government is trying to provide benefit of library in all districts. Non-local couple shotted by unknown assailants in Moray. Man dies while the wife is fighting for life at Shija hospital. And shoppers throng main markets in Impal ahead of the UNACCO festival. Hello and welcome to Impact News. We wish our viewers a very happy Diwali. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Laithangwa Monica bringing you the top stories. Union Minister of State for Home Affairs Kiran Rijiju expressed shock at the deplorable condition of National Highway 2 after travelling from Kangpokpi to Kalapahar today. Addressing a public meeting at Kalapahar in Senapati district in connection with the upcoming 2017 General Assembly election, Kiran Rijiju says a state can develop only when there is peaceful atmosphere. Kiran Rijiju remarks that Manipur has everything but the state is mismanaged. Kiran Rijiju said it is unfortunate that there is no good governance in the state. He said the state government should not overlook any issues. He also said a few people with vested interest are creating differences between the people of hills and the valley. BJP Manipur Pradesh President Khetri Bhavananda accused Congress government of fooling the public for the last 15 years. He said all should try to solve the conflict rather than overlooking it, as it can create a major problem.
But Manipur is popular because the people who live in Manipur, they are very talented, they are very hardworking, very colorful, rich culture. And the land is also beautiful. We have everything. But this state has been mismanaged. अभी जब मैंने नेशनल हाईवे पे भी आया तो रास्ता ठीक नहीं था. There's no maintenance because the situation is not good. Central government cannot do anything if the situation is not good in the state. Central government and state government have to work together. अभी मैं अपना as a government of India minister में कुछ sanction देगा, उसका implementation जो है वो state government ही करना पड़ता है. अगर state government ठीक नहीं है तो नरेंद्र मोदी जी government of India जितना भी काम करें या पब्लिक को नहीं पहुंचेगा, लाभ नहीं पहुंचेगा. वो छोटा छोटा स्टेट का छोटा छोटा इशू को भी नज़रअंदाज नहीं करना चाहिए. वो छोटा इशू है, आप बोलेगा छोटा स्टेट है, कम पॉपुलेशन है, आप नेग्लेक्ट करेंगे तो वो छोटा छोटा जो इशू है बहुत बड़ा बीमारी बन जाता है. इसलिए जो मिलिटेंसी का जो प्रॉब्लम है इन नॉर्थ ईस्ट, इट इज़ बिकॉज दे वर नॉट एड्रेस इन द इनिशियल स्टेज.
Union Minister of State for Home Affairs Kiran Rijiju today maintained that it is early to comment on the attack of Chief Minister Okromi Singh in Ukhrul, as the centre is yet to receive official report on the incident. Responding to a query whether the ceasefire agreement between the Government of India and NSA-IM extends to Manipur unofficially, the Union Minister maintained that the ceasefire does not cover Manipur.
There is no permission from the government to do anything. So the central government and the state government should come together to ensure that this kind of illegal activities do not take place. There are standard operational procedures, and if there are agreements, there are talks, or there are suspension of operations, everything has a laid down procedure. So one must fall into line. And ultimately, as I said, the problems were created long time back. But we are facing the problem, but we cannot run away from the problem. So we are committed to solve all those issues, and let us see that the cooperation has to come from all sides. We are sincere from our side, but it has to be, the sincerity has to be from other side also. That I will not pass a comment unless an official report is available, because it is a sensitive matter and I should not comment on that.
Chief Minister Okrami will be saying today stressed the importance of library in every person's life. He also said the government has been trying to provide benefits of library to the people in all districts. The Chief Minister today inaugurated the new building of Imphal Public Library at Oripok, Sorbonne. Ibobi also urged the people to extend cooperation to make library grow and serve the needs of the people. He said library has been giving knowledge to the people from generation to generation and the importance of library cannot be ignored. He mentioned that the people now can read books with the help of internet on computer and mobile, and this has led to less people visiting the library. The Chief Minister also said the government has established library in all the districts of the state to avail the benefit of library to the people. He also assured the people that the government will provide all possible help to Imphal Public Library. The library was built with the local area development fund of Oripok MLA L. Nandakumar and contribution of the people.
Angangsingsi sumnagi textbook kharadaneba ojaha singsina takpiriba khotpiriba tawribasidi primary basic knowledge haibatare madugi reference mayam singse library yaudaba sugya yadaba asidachu manipuri msi hairo or even sidida medical college Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences or anywhere Medical College sing karike angang singsi library de sangaga direct pahan ba haibase compulsory dona mandatory dona hosiksu adum tawri bane library haibase mahai gi pukai ni.
Oripok MLA L. Nandakumar in his speech stressed the cooperation of the people to maintain the library. He also drew the attention of the Chief Minister to provide financial assistance to the library. Art and Culture Commissioner H. Dilip, Transport and Education Commissioner M. Lakshmi Kumar, Revenue Works and IPR Commissioner K. Radha Kumar were among those who attended the event. Gifts were also presented to those persons who have contributed to the growth of library.
TV and like to have a narrow internet like one or corner by Tongani, Masayam to a lady in Purma, no narrow Lamdam Mashi, narrow singing, Wakalone, I quit the Sharambadani, Mashi, Hinnabashi, the view Haiva, Akanba, Pelama in a Tauri, but to Luna, a quite Levaki, but 6 minutes or so. At least, quite say you about financial grants. Maintenance private
A non-local man died while his wife is admitted in critical condition at Shija Hospital after unidentified assailants fired at them in Moree last night. The incident occurred when two unidentified persons on a two-wheeler fired several rounds on Dharmendra Kumar alias Aju, aged 40, owner of an electronic shop at Sunrise Club, Moree Ward number 4, and his wife Chandra Devi, aged 34, around 7:30 p.m. yesterday. Dharmendra Kumar was hit in the upper chest and abdomen, while his wife Chandra Devi was hit in the chest and left arm. Both the injured husband and wife were rushed to Moree Hospital, where they were given first aid. Later, both of them were brought to Imphal in two private vans. Dharmendra Kumar succumbed to his injuries near Technopal, while his wife is admitted at ICU in Shija Hospital. Meanwhile, a team of Moree Police and Commando conducted search operation in Moree yesterday, where the incident took place. Speaking to media persons, Tamil Sangam Assistant Secretary Mohan appreciated Assam Rifles for helping them at the need of the hour for providing ambulance till Moree Hospital. Condemning the incident, Mohan demanded government to provide an ambulance so that people of Moree do not suffer at the time of an emergency.
अभी मोरे गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल से तो एम्बुलेंस तो नहीं है, मगर असम राइफल का तरफ से हम लोग को मदद दे रहा है। तो यहाँ पर एक एम्बुलेंस कंपलसरी रखना है। देखो बहुत सिचुएशन है, अभी क्रिटिकल है। हम लोग असम राइफल को बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ। तो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ मणिपुर से भी अपील करता हूँ कि यहाँ पर एक एम्बुलेंस रखें ताकि कुछ इमरजेंसी में यूज़ हो।
Hill Tribal Council Moree strongly condemns yesterday's Moree firing incident where Dharmendra Kumar Sahani and his pregnant wife Chandra Devi were shot by unidentified assailants taking advantage of Diwali firecrackers in the night. Hill Tribal Council Moree in a press release says in protest against the killing of Dharmendra Kumar Sahani, all shops and business establishments of Moree will remain closed till the cremation of the body. The council is also demanding perpetrators to declare the motive behind the crime and government security agencies to take up immediate measures to ensure non-recurrence of violence in Moree town. The incident has also been condemned by Indo-Myanmar Friendship Chamber of Commerce, Moray Consumer Club and Indo-Myanmar Workers Union. The organizations also demanded the arrest and punishment of the culprits. Social Welfare Minister A.K. Mirabai is optimistic that the Congress will once again come to power after the 2017 General Assembly polls. Minister Mirabai was speaking at the felicitation function of Akhoigi Sanglen Community Hall at Mayaikoibi Sabungbam Lekai. She said although BJP has gained power in neighboring states of Assam and Arunachal Pradesh, the party will not be able to defeat the Congress in the state. Extending her wishes on the occasion of Ningo Jacoba and Kut festival, Minister Mirabai wished that the festival bring peace and communal harmony in the state.
North East ki state singda BJP ki pibam phagalabasu Manipur gumba state tadi Assam da tawba dumaina Arunachal da tawba dumaina hekta khumba yagani haibase ai wakhanda thajaba yamna wali Manipur da leiba section khudingi praja khudingmakna Congress pu yamna nungsibiba thajabiba Congress na tawriba thabak ingkhang mayam chingje aduki matik apenba leibanina Manipur gumba state tadi BJP gumba na hummaga chatpa haibasidi ai ki handaki tam da inatana mathangi tam phawbadi ai ngamgani haibagi ai asa leite.
Manipur National Democratic Front MNDF, All Manipur Arts and Culture Students Union, All Manipur United Club Organization UNACCO, United Committee Manipur UCM and the Protection and Preservation Committee Manipur IPPCM Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol KADA condones the deaths of Thongnawjam Iboyaima. Works to rehabilitate the villagers of Chadong Khul in Ukhrul district displaced by Mapitel Dam at Chadong Mapo are yet to begin. The village is without electricity and drinking water supply. The displaced villagers are not ready to construct their houses as there is no power and water supply. However, some villagers have started construction work as there is no choice for them. The approach road to the village lies in a deplorable condition. JC on Rehabilitation and Resettlement of Chadong village has warned the government that they would oppose the commissioning of the dam if the government does not begin rehabilitation work in 10 days. A team of people led by JC convener W. Kasar yesterday visited Chadong Mapo.
Ngasi phobada government gi officer concerned department kanasu visit tawraga yengbasu leitri akhoi gi MLA su present akhoi gi kendra gi MLA phobada su laraga masi yengsandri aduga IFC gi city gi minister oina oirosu ngasi phobada sigi khunda khonsu nektri village da akhoi victims affected displacing gi khunda village praja singda sumaina thambi vibe se akhoi Manipur machama oina khoi feel tawe nungaite handak Ukhrul da thokliba thodok ado amarom da madu karisu nate haina akhoi lawjai adubu government na madu da yam serious oina lawraga akhoi sida khungi sumaina victims oiba akhoi na wakhan chauna phukchen chauna kathokliba lobok mayam asigumba praja miyam budi dum miraiba kumna tawraga ngasi sumaina thambi base yenglaga akhoi wakhan yamna wai.
Several vehicles have been damaged and documents of vehicles snatched by volunteers of All Tribal Students Union Manipur Atsum during the economic blockade on the two national highways. Supporters of the economic blockade called by Atsum damaged vehicles which were transporting various items to Imphal at Kalapahar in Senapati district. The blockade has been called protesting the decision of Manipur University to not reserve 31% for the scheduled tribe students. Atsum President Seth Sasang says they will continue economic blockade on national highways till their demands are met.
Admission sida 31% phangpham thoi haina akhoi right speak re court nasu akhoi bu nokhoi phangpham thoi haina haigre HRD nasu human resource development nasu nokhoi phangpham thoi masi chatna ga dabne haigre government su law su mayam akhoi bu khak tabirene nokhoi chume haina adu Manipur University da mokhoi academic din haina mokhoi mi khra aduna yadabasi krigino.
Acting on a tip-off, a team of Thobal police commandos and 2 Assam rifles arrested a cadre of KYKL yesterday. The PRO police department in a press release says the cadre has been identified as Kangabam Sundar Singh, 42, son of late K. Bhaigya Singh of Thiam Konjin, Awang Lekai. A case has been registered at Thobal police station. On the other hand, a team of Imphal West police commando arrested an NSC and IM cadre in Dulalan. He is identified as Honpam Jazo, age 48, son of late Jonathan Jazo of Kakum village under Kasom Kholen police station in Ukhrul district. President of Naga People's Front NPF Ukhrul district, Simre has condemned the arrest of Pungyar secretary Honpam Jazo of Kangkum village under Kasom Kholen police station by police commandos. Speaking to media at its Pungyar unit office at Viewland Ukhrul today, Simre said the report carried by a local daily today said Honpam Jazo is an NSN IM cadre who was allegedly involved in a recent attack on the chief minister in Ukhrul. Denying Honpam Jazo is an NSN IM cadre, he said he has been falsely charged. He also stated that any misunderstanding between the people of Ukhrul and Manipur government with regards to inauguration of facilities should be sorted out rather than filing false cases against the people. He demanded the government to
Irang Tok Kibagi Mutungda, Jingda Leriba, Manipurgi Praja Mayambu, Sorkar Puriba, Shri Bobi Singh government na, Bhab Tanada Balerashu, Pajana. Bhab Tamina Naba means Tidadana, Ashimaina, innocent people Mayambu Tarke Tauraga, false charges, allegation Kayam Ama Tajalaga, criminal act Panchan Bashe, Ukhrul district. Naga People's Friend, Kana condemn Towningi, Naga People's Friend Secretary, Atubo Matam, the condition Amata Yaudana, Tadok Binaba, Mayambu, Epil Taujaningi, Perikumba, condition Yaudana Tadok Pidra D, Naga People's Friend Ukhrul district, Shina, human rights bodies, Mayambu Tana Re Haraga, Mashe. Government
President of Ronmai Lul Puam Panti Golmai has stated that no justice has been delivered yet in the rape case of 4 students of Don Bosco School, Kaupum in 2012. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, she stated that in 2012, an insurgent group headed by Kada Lajjanthai Malangmai rapes the 4 students at gunpoint. Panti said it has been 5 years and the court has not delivered justice. She also mentioned that as per ruling of the Supreme Court, cases of crimes against women should be completed within a year.
Pokso ek oirsu siguma laina akhoi Manipur sida sahi manga pharakadore aduna mama mapa sing thawai nungai tare re-victimize oye asigumba case thuna loi sanjabnina amo hanna ngang ningai laiba right thinking individual NGOs adoga civil society concerned authority myamda angat chabni asi maram sabra sihi manga sopna khoi ngai dra adoga makhoi punsi loidri pha samaina justice phangdadna ngai dra.
Let's take a short break. We'll be back with more news updates.
Nang ya khunu nupi silo de nang khunu kan chile nang aduni mattai mai ngon da bokta machin je angana khumanga mabani khumna ma ina lan ma ngakten chen bi am khau je do chakho bi tau je bi ma mangle upai le do man nang gi di chakho bi da khina di kari hai khraba chakho salo ingun sida ka sala dana nang ne ibai de waro ni na chakho bu jatra di ibai na mo hina waro khini Dakina do, dukan plot ani ule hai ba. Asing bagiro. Asing bagima. Magi mingdama, ai mingdama. Mahung na machan nusidradi. Nuno na sayang chidro. Ha. Se. Kapunu se. Chakho gunumita. Nuno singna meeting na pita o phateva. Kapunu se.
Pengba nga ton pangbiragani ningol chakobugi mangoi na mapung mari faraba pengba amadi nga ton ningol chakobugi damak discount su pizari nga ton kg manga leibada kg ama free pengba kg tara leibada kg ama free da pizari akak naba matamni ngasi maklengsin biroktana order tobi ho phangpham S Tomba and Sons Pengba Farm Hyangthang Bazar
Diwali amasung ningol Chakobugi special discount pizari ITC Limited ki premium clothing brand Wills Lifestyle gi thangmaiban Maisnam Lekai opposite House Ground Labor Store da Diwali amasung ningol Chakobugi special discount pizari nupa amasung nupi ki formal casual amadi evening party wear yauna makhal khuding makki fizol sing fangbigani ngasi maglengsin biraksi Wills Lifestyle Store thangmaiban Maisnam Lekai opposite House Ground
Aigi thamoina achit ka thajaba thamjari Srimani Kumar Jewelers. Yumda Sumlairaka Kanbanadi Kanaroi, Engunda Luna, Tina Kravani, Wakal the Wagano. Lao, I could do Pasaminasi. Miam get a pampa design Kudimu, so we didn't apologize. Srimani Kumar Jewelers.
Ngasimak lengshin biro. Diwali kumhai amadi ningol chakawagi manguinana ningol singna set chabada pakcharagadaba pijet lighting kaya Silaima Emporium singjamai chinga mangkha opposite oinamler ngasimak lengshin biro.
The first urban cross hatchback, Datsun Ready Go with 800cc. Sumnatagi lak anigalising ni punipan piba car asigi features singdi ground clearance 185mm, boot space 222 liters, power steering, mileage 25.17 km per liter, immobilizer. Bukto bihoro gari asi ngasimak showroom da laktuna leire. Test drive kidamak lengshin birao Island Nissan near Standard Robert High Secondary School, Kanchipur, Imphal. Datsun Ready Go.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Shoppers throng the Quaramban Bazaar, Pauna Bazaar and Thangal Bazaar as they shop for the biggest festival in the state, Ningol Jacoba. People are seen buying gifts for the married daughters and sisters. No vehicles are allowed in these markets to help the Ningol Jacoba shoppers in Quaramban, Pauna and Thangal Bazaars. Vendors are selling various items even on the roads in these markets. City police and traffic police are taking measures to avoid inconveniences to the shoppers. Naga Chiefs Association Chandel has closed the FCS godown at Japav Bazaar in Chandel as the godown does not stock the actual amount of rice for Chandel and Chakpikarong block. In a press release, the association said no rice can be distributed under the NFSA until the right quantity of rice is stored in the godown. Anti-Congress workers of Nauria Pakanglapa today organized an anti-Congress meet at Malum Bazar Community Hall to discuss ways to defeat the Congress party in the upcoming General Assembly election. Around 1,500 people who want to remove the local MLA R.K. Anand attended the meet. Workers of Rajen Kumar who fought in the 10th Assembly election, former Congress workers who are now against MLA R.K. Anand, former workers of O. Malesh, former CPI candidate resolved to join together to defeat MLA R.K. Anand. The MIT also resolved to jointly support Soibam Subhash Chandra, who was the NCP candidate in the last assembly election, and urged the BJP national and state leaders to fill Soibam Subhash Chandra as the BJP candidate from Nauria Pakanglapa.
अखोना कांग्रेस की म्यूजिक पामदे हरगसु मचोई मचोई अखोना आई शेलिबाई ने आई मरी मतानी अदुनी अदानेना मचोई मचोई पीने की बतारगदी कांग्रेस माई थीबे पीबंग अमोय कांग्रेस न दुंकागिनी तोंगान तोंगान बक दोल जिंग सेलंबा मयाम अमा हुजिक मी लिसिंग अमगा चामरी चांगा गुंबा दमा सावरांगना अदुंबदी संगलएना आई थमजे अखोय ngasiगी सभान कोन खन्नरबगी तुंगदा थोलाइबा कैंडिडेट मयाम सिंगी मनुंगदा श्री शोभा चंद्रना श्री आरके आनंद बि इंथुबंग ngamgani हाबिगो आरएफसी मयाम पुन लौमिनरा कामदुदैदा हौजिक बीजेपी की मेरे पोइना सोंथोक पिरकलिबा अखोय
A sit-in was staged by locals of BJP Kairao Mandal polling station 6/12 and 6/16 at Arabdi Mamanglekai Market Shade against the problems facing the area. Protesters displayed various placards which read, "Why PDS items are not given to beneficiaries? Why NFSA cards are not distributed yet? Let's remove Congress from Kairao Assembly constituency," among others. The sit-in was attended by the locals along with BJP Kairao Mandal President W. Biren, BJP State Executive Member Salam Lala and BJP member Takhelambam Samananda. Addressing media persons, BJP member Takhelambam Samananda said the sit-in was organized as the locals are dissatisfied with the Congress government. He said nowhere in the country the local MLAs deducts 25% from Panchayat funds.
NRJS की हायरसी PDS की पोलम बो हायरसी अखोई मफम चाना फंगनदबा मसिना मरम ओइरगा अखोई की प्रजा मियाम से कांग्रेस की सासल से असुकी मति पेनदबा अमा फाउनरे NRJS की दा लाइबा पोलम मसिदा तसेना हायरबदा अखोई की पंचायत की थाक्ता लाइबा पोट असिदा अखोई की लोकल MLA ना 25% लवे मसी अखोई की मणिपुर स्टेट खक्तनी चनरिचे अतोप स्टेट सिंगदा अमत चनदे असिगुम्बा मणिपुर दा कांग्रेस ना शासन तौबा मणिपुर असिदा असिगुम्बा चनबी असे मरु फोंगना मुथनिंगे.
Persons including Zilla Parishad Pradhan members who have recently joined the BJP were welcomed yesterday at a function at Yumkhaibam Mandap in Moirang. The function was organized by BJP Moirang Mandal. BJP leader T.H. Chauba and several BJP members including P. Sarat Chandra, retired IAS, aspiring candidate M. Ashni Kumar attended the reception. Congress MLA Dr. N.G. Bijoy has greeted the people of Manipur on the occasion of Ningol Chakouba.
Chakouba sina machin mopa nungsinabagi lipun hen chesin handuna Manipur ki samaj asi hen phaba samaj ama oiresanu. Tungan ba Kanglup Singhi maraktasu amaga gyan taminaba hingatuna santi leba afaba Manipur ama oiresanu haina yaifa pawjel pijari.
Janata Dal United JDU, All Manipur Students Union AMSU, United Committee Manipur UCM and National Identity Protection Committee NIPCO greeted the people on the occasion of Ningol Chakouba. Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol Kada condoled the demise of Thamnaujam Iboyaima, fondly known as Babung, at a condolence meeting at Kada head office attended by its executive committee and members. A symposium was held on nativism in Manipuri poetry at Dev Literature Center on DM College campus, organized by Asailup, Manipur. Teachers and research scholars presented papers on the topic. Home Films Manipur's Suke Keda Ningthizabi was premiered today at MSFDS Auditorium in Palace Compound. The screenplay is done by Ranjit Ningthauja while Homeshwari directed the film. Impact TV is the media partner. Chief Secretary O. Nabakishore and Deputy Director of State Academy of Training Aribam Sivadas Sharma and film lovers attended the event. In his speech, O. Nabakishore lauded the contribution of filmmakers and artists towards the development of Manipuri film industry. Before we end, a quick look at the headlines once again. Kiran Rijiju's shock at the condition of National Highway. The Union Minister travelled from Kangpopi to Kalabahar. Chief Minister Ukram Ibobi Singh stresses the role of library, says government is trying to provide benefit of library in all the districts. Non-local couple shot at by unknown assailants in Moray. Man dies while the wife is fighting for life at Shija Hospital. And shoppers from main markets in Impal ahead of the Ningol Chakouba festival.